Hello, everyone. Finally made it down to California with my buddy Joe Abel here, my mentor in BitClubNetwork. We're just rolling the... What do we got here today, Joe?
Rolls Ghost.
The Rolls Ghost here. The Rolls Ghost here. It's a cozy one. I'm looking for a new car right now.
Nice.
My Mercedes ain't smelling too hot anymore. So anyways, we just got done taking a look at Joe's new spot up here in California. Joe, what city were we just in?
Camarillo.
Spanish
Hills.
Absolutely beautiful up there.
It's beautiful, huh?
So it's been fun watching Joe really, just beat BitClub up here. Just beat it up. Turn that to here. He's when I first got going with BitClubNetwork 3.5 years ago. It's about 3.5 years ago, huh?
Close to, yeah.
Yes, and remember the time when I first got involved in BitClub?
Yeah, that's right. You picked me up at the airport, man.
Go ahead and tell me the story. Refresh my memory. We got to work, huh?
We got to work. Day one, meeting people, cranking out the business, heading up to Starbucks, making our first Bitcoin Starbucks transaction.
Oh yeah, Joe and I got the most views. If you go to YouTube and type in Starbucks and Bitcoin, the most views that anyone
we pop up.
We are celebrities right there.
That's right.
That's right. And that was before we were rolling. RollsRoyces. No rolls.
Rent-a-cars.
I want your Lambo for tomorrow. Can I?
Yeah.
There you go. Roll that to Ty Lopez's meeting or something. But BitClubNetwork is going strong. I haven't had a chance to really get into the latest of BitClubNetwork. So, is there any? I know there's a lot of meetings going on. I apologize. I owe you the next meeting. Where's the next big meeting going for? You guys, we had 5,000 people over in South Korea, right?
Yeah, we have 5,500 people in Korea. Japan flew in about 300 people. The rest of the world was only maybe 300, and so literally 5,000 people were from Japan. I mean, Korea. It was just magnificent.
We need that, or are you okay?
No.
I'm gonna say guys. Okay. Yeah, it's crimping our style on that music.
That's okay. We need to have music back on. So yeah, literally right after our last Dubai trip, the sales went through the roof. We took a group of people to Iceland. Maybe 250 people was the last trip. And we went from almost 100 million in sales to 200 million in sales in the last 2.5 months now, and it's rocketing. So we build for 2 years. We don't even do 100 million in 2 years in sales, and within the last 30 days, we're doing over 200 million per day, per month. Yeah, it's crazy. But we're launching the next facility here in Montana.
Yeah, that's pretty cool. I didn't know that.
It's going to be literally 500 petahash of equipment. That's going to be the BitFury technology, so it's a little different, and it'll be beautiful. And we're really, really excited about the new things going on with Bitcoin Cash. And
what's up with Bitcoin? Your price is way down. Bitcoin Cash, I'm using it more on transactions also lately, huh?
Correct. Well, the thing about China and the mining, China and the exchange, it does play a huge role, but if you remember, now we have futures, and so now the whales are making big swing moves. They push the coin up, they bet on it short, they bet on it high. It doesn't matter. They're swinging the coin around. But people shouldn't be concerned about Bitcoin today. People should be concerned about Bitcoin 2020, 2021, when Bitcoin will be more matured. The network will be probably the Lightning Network. The block size will be not just 1 meg, but 2 meg or 3 meg or 4 meg. It'll be a lot faster, a lot smoother, but it'll still be the most secure technology on the planet. And with Bitcoin, it's the only coin that does not have a back door. Every coin can be shut off by someone. Bitcoin cannot be turned off by no government, no individual hacker program, no nothing. So if you think about it, you have to do Bitcoin 2 or 3 years from now. Go look at Bitcoin now. And if you look at all the history of Bitcoin, if it does exactly what it's been doing for the last 3 years, Bitcoin will be 100 grand to 500 grand in the next 2 or 3 years.
Can't bitch about that, huh?
Cannot complain about that.
What about Clubcoin?
Clubcoin, wonderful. Clubcoin just had all of its security redone. There was some things done when we created the coin from Blackcoin, and Blackcoin had some archaic stuff in it. So we changed up all of the code, and now the security is being solid. It's already fast, and the nodes are being launched all over the world. This is good stuff. I think we're going to have a very good coin to show the market how spectacular our team is around the world. Probably March, April, and CoinPay will be launching for the merchant side. That's coming out probably around the same time because they kind of are connected. The same team working on CoinPay is fixing what the problems that are in Club Coin. So Club Coin's done really well. It's trading really well on Bittrex.
What's that right now? We're at $3.
It's probably somewhere around $2 to $3. I haven't seen it in a while, but it's got $500,000 to $1 million in trading a day. $2.23, up 20 cents from earlier today. So you can't beat that. You can go onto the exchanges and see that.
It's on there.
It's on there. So it's good stuff. So we're really excited about that, you know.
Let's hear that stereo for a second.
Yeah, let's hear it up. What's going on? Full connection here.
Oh, there we go. Now we're back. Jeez.
Back in time. Well,
so we just want it. What else we got to cover?
I mean, you know what? We can do another call later and just catch all the updates on there, you know?
Yeah, for sure. It's good
Catch everybody
catching
up
up.
to speed, you know, it's important.
Your neck of the woods now.
Yeah.
Talking about coming
now
down
we're back in
and
Oxnard now.
For sure.
Little part of Southern California.
When do you guys think the next big... I'm surprised you're not down in Miami here today.
Yeah, that's not what we do. But that's for newbies and people who don't understand what's going on in space.
Like the Roger Bears and stuff?
Yeah, the Roger. He's become a good friend of ours now. You know? So we love you, Roger.
Yeah, Roger's a good guy.
So check us out. On the 17th of next month, we'll have 500 people going to Iceland to see the facility. It's on and cracking after that.
17th of this month?
Of February.
Okay, I'm
February next month.
You got room for more tickets?
Yeah, there's some space left for a few. The tickets, the hotels over there is what's getting sold out fast.
How's that little hot pool thing? It looked kind of some good pictures.
Dude, it's so awesome. We take everybody who comes.
Speedo?
Everybody, not me, but there are some Speedos in there, man.
Right, Joby's
thank God there's G-strings there too.
Joby the Speedo probably.
Yeah, no kidding. Nah, he wears his trunks, man. Joby's he plays fair.
He's been a good.
He doesn't do that to us.
He's been a good asset to BitClub though, hasn't he?
Joby's been great, man. He's got awesome resources. He made one of the best connections we've ever gotten. That's with BitFury, and our original connection with BitMain is, you know, marriage in heaven. They love us, and as of recent 2016 early, we partnered with Genesis Mining, and today we probably have 80% of all the equipment that they manage under one umbrella as ours. We're talking literally 11 to 13 terahash of GPU farm. It's massive. Massive. If you've not seen it, I'll share with you guys later to see how big this thing is.
Hey, what do you think about shifting gears here for a second? What do you think about stem cell coin? Just my little idea.
I'm interested in this. I'm interested in stem cell coin. I'm looking forward to getting all the white paper, and I'm looking forward to getting my stem cells put away someplace.
Why not, right? You can have all the money in the world if you don't have good health.
Forget about it. So yeah, we this is good cutting edge. It's got to do with disruption, and I love cryptos are disruptive. The technology in the space you're involved in now, that's disruptive.
Stem cells
people
are very
need it. Stem
disruptive.
cells is huge, man.
Stem cells is disruptive.
It's going to help a lot of people. It's going to help a lot of people. I'm very excited
Changed
for
my
you.
life for sure.
Yeah, and you look younger too. So I'm trying to.
Joe's got a hottie too. We gotta keep him looking dope.
Reverse it, man.
He's got the perfect hair, but I think I see a line.
The hair doesn't change. There's one white hair right there.
All right, guys, stay tuned for more videos that will come. It's good to be here again. Joe Abel down in California. Got Ty Lopez tomorrow. Some Lambo. Gonna take that Lambo out because I really need to see if this is my path in life. It's gonna confirm. Man. Joe's confirmed my path in life with Bitcoin, so I think he's onto something here. Yeah. All right.
Cheers.
Okay,
everybody.
guys. See you later. Bye bye.